Hi guys, today we're going to be applying fake nails without acrylics and at home. So yeah, let's get started. So first you're going to need these fake nails. You can get them on Amazon. I will link them down below. You'll need nail glue. You can get it at Target for like $2. And you'll need nail polish, any kind, and I forgot to add this, but you will also need a filer and nail cutters. Start by picking out the sizes for your nails. Make sure if it's snug on your nail and that it's not too tight or too loose. Now we're going to file our natural nail with the nail filer, and this is just so that the nail stays on longer and it prevents it from falling. And now you're going to apply a small dot of nail glue on your natural nail and carefully spread it out. Now you're going to apply the nail starting at the base and slowly pressing it upward, and you want to make sure you do this so that you prevent any air bubbles from forming. Now that both hands are done, we're going to cut them to the desired length, and for this I like to use a regular nail clipper. I like to use the bigger ones just because it's a lot easier, and I like to start on one side of the nail and then cut it and then cut the other side so that they meet up in the middle. Now we're just going to file our nails and make sure that you don't have any harsh edges. Now it's time to paint our nails. I'm going to be using yellow just because I love the color yellow. here I am just zooming in, don't mind that, but the color yellow really is going to help me feel better with all this gloomy weather that we've been having in the month of April. But yeah, I feel like painting your nose is pretty self-explanatory, so enjoy the music. So now we're going to clean up the edges, because if you're anything like me, I cannot paint my nails. So I always mess up and I get nail polish everywhere. So I'm just taking acetone and a Q-tip and just cleaning up around. Again, it's pretty self-explanatory. So yeah. And with that, you are done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to leave any questions in the comments. And yeah, I hope this really helped. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.